Charlene has recently taken an interest in plyometrics. I have no idea what plyometrics really is, but it appears to be from observation an exercise where one uses their furniture as gym equipment. I think it's kind of something like this. There's some old chipboard from an old set of shelves lying around. Thanks to the lockdown, I can no longer use the excuse that I'll make it when I get some time. Because of Corona, we're not allowed to leave our house, so I hope that I have all the materials already at home. So, this will be the plan. It's a simple box, but it needs to be pretty strong to take the weight of someone jumping on it. There needs to be some extra support in the center to give it extra strength, plus the extra weight will help it from toppling over. The sides, the support, the top and the bottom are all the same rectangles, so it's quick and easy to measure 5 of them on the boards. Now that I'm dressed like I'm gonna go buy groceries during the pandemic, let's get to the cutting. I'll need 5 of these boards. They're all 35 centimeters long. Now that they're cut, I can start gluing and screwing this thing together. This is kind of what it will look like without the front and back. It seems pretty strong with my weight, and I'd rather have it fail now than when Charlene is attempting a backflip off of it in the lounge. I had to cut 2 pieces for both the front and back because I didn't have any wide enough boards to fit, and it should be strong enough because they both meet and rest on top of the middle bit.
Right, that's enough.
The box is starting to look like, well, a box. Because neither the drill nor I was strong enough, I couldn't get the screws to dig in enough and countersink them. And I don't want them scratching off floors. So I'll use the angle grinder to grind them flush with the wood. Plus, grinding always makes for some cool looking cutaways. I also need to bevel the edges so Charlene won't stub a toe on the sharp corners. She approves. That's it for the structure. Now to add some grips and make it look pretty. I think gluing some sandpaper to the top and sides will lessen the chances of a plyometric accident. I'll paint the rest with some chalkboard paint so she can write her workout programs on the sides. Plus it's the only paint I have, and we can't buy at the moment because paint is not an essential item under lockdown. Now just to add some non-slip at the bottom, and that's it. One Plyometrics box.